Hello and welcome to another episode of Zix Fix. This is the Corsair H60 water pump. I don't know if you can hear that, but quite a common noise, the rattling noise that comes from the pump. Caused commonly by, from what I read, when your power supply, the 12 volt rail is like just over like 12.2, 12.3 sort of volts, and it makes that annoying sound, which doesn't bother everybody, but frankly it bothers a lot of people. Apparently the later versions have fixed that, but I wasn't so lucky to get one of those, so I've had to fix it, which isn't exactly you don't really have to take it apart or anything or do anything with it. It's just get a fan controller, which a fan mate 2 would do the job, but as I actually like to see how much it's running at. Right now, probably can't see that. No. Ah, there we go. 4200, that's what it's running at right now. 4200 RPM. Now the noise goes away at around 35, but I go to 34 just to make sure. Wait for it to slowly lower it down, which is quite a slow, painstaking process. The annoying thing about this fan controller is that when you first turn the computer on, everything's at max. I'm not sure why. Waiting for it, waiting for it, waiting for it. Oh, there we go. It gets louder as it gets slower. Oh, louder. God awful noise. There we go, and it stopped. As you can hear. Absolutely no noise from it at all. Yeah, this doesn't actually affect performance in any way at all. I've done temperature tests and whatnot, and my i7's running at 4.6 gigahertz. Was it 4.2? No, 4.6. Anyway, and the temperatures are steady, and the difference of me turning it from 500 RPM to 3400 RPM, the difference is about 1 to 2 degrees, which really isn't much when it's running at like, what was it, about 45 degrees I think at max, when it's max on the Prime 95 benchmarking and stuff. It runs really cool anyway, so that's how you solve that. Just lower the RPM of it, and it has no effect on the pump. It doesn't have any ramifications whatsoever. Everything runs perfectly. I've been running like this for a few months now, and it's absolutely fine. So there you go. You want to fix that annoying noise? Just get a cheap FanMate 2 controller, or one with display so you can actually see what it's running at. But that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I hope that's helped somebody. Take care.